Hennessey has released a comprehensive new performance upgrade package for the Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet Suburban, Chevrolet Tahoe, and GMC Yukon. Hennessey's boost and output for vehicles with the GM 6.2-liter V8 takes power from the mild 420 by horsepower factory rating to a wild 650 by horsepower, entirely transforming the acceleration and driving dynamics of GM's full-size SUVs. Hennessey's engineering team fits GM's popular 6.2-liter V8 with a robust 2.9-liter supercharger, high-flow intake system, high-flow intercooler, and a crankcase ventilation system. In addition, chromoly push rods are installed and the engine management software is updated with HP engine management calibration. Lastly, a stainless steel cat back exhaust system is installed to improve performance and soundtrack. The result is a dyno-proven 650 bhp and 658 pounds-per-feet of torque. During development, the Hennessey supercharged H650 Escalade, enhanced with an additional 230 horsepower, achieved 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in just 5.3 seconds. That was quick enough to leave the stock Cadillac Escalade with a slower 6.1-second dash in the rearview mirror. Likewise, the quarter-mile run falls in just 13.5 seconds, a full second quicker than stock. Accompanying the increased power is a more robust full-throttle exhaust note, which perfectly complements the SUV's enhanced performance. Hennessey's H650 upgrade fits a range of GM SUVs equipped with a 6.2-liter V8, irrespective of trim level. These vehicles include the model year 2021 and onwards Cadillac Escalade, Cadillac Escalade ESV, Chevrolet Suburban, Chevrolet Tahoe, GMC Yukon, and GMC Yukon XL. Although the performance of 6.2-liter V8 is altered, Hennessey's engineers retain all the legendary ride and drivability of the stock SUVs, leaving suspension modes, drive modes, and an all-wheel drive mode unaltered. The Texas team's production and the testing program include a final performance assessment on the dyno and out on the open road. Each upgraded H650 is fitted with a serial-numbered engine plaque. In addition, all vehicles are backed by Hennessey's comprehensive 3-year, 36,000-mile limited warranty. The total cost for the upgrade is $27,950, excluding the base GM SUV. Orders may be placed for international shipping through authorized GM retailers or Hennessey by directly calling their number or visiting HennesseyPerformance.com. Package prices and contents are subject to change. Contact Hennessey Performance for details.